Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday the 16th and Mark and I from Iron Empire have got our meet on today. The shed is very empty at the moment. A lot of cars are out of it. I've got the Monaro over there already, and I'm just picking up the van and all the merch, and I'm heading over there now. I'm going to help set up. I've been running around like an idiot today, and Mark's done probably most of the work, so I'm just sort of flying in last minute, but yeah, so looking forward to seeing everyone there and some cool cars. Got a heap of merch, both Mark and I. He's got signs and everything, and all the COVID stuff that we've got. So gonna close up and then head over. See you there. All right, we're underway. There's a bit of a Facebook mix up. Someone had 4, some had 5, so everyone's starting to roll in now, and there's a fair crowd here already, which is good. Cars coming past. How you doing? And a bunch of people left. Food cars just here. Showed up, so they're getting setting up. Heaps of people. Kyle from Whale Taili's here supporting. But these guys have been awesome. Andrew's been helping us out. She's got the little tap for us, so that's helped us out big time. But there's cars everywhere. So we shut this sort of part down here and filled it all up out here as well. So all the way down here, there's people bloody everywhere. The weather's turned out amazing. People for days. Huge thanks to Jake for letting us have this spot. It's been awesome. People everywhere. Got food coming on. How we doing, man?
We're only about 5 minutes away.
Killer. Thanks a lot, man.
Sorry,
awesome.
and one lane up there, we had to wait for some people to get out.
That's all good. All good.
Yeah.
Nah, killer. Thanks, man.
Easy.
start.
Is it film?
It's filming.
All right.
That was ridiculous.
Yeah, we had we had expectations to be a fair few people come through, but that just blew our minds. How many people came through, and the cars, and the quality of cars, and we were swamped. Although we barely got any footage done, so
I got zero.
We're going to have to steal a bit off some of the camera guys that were flogging around. So just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who came, bought merch. I mean, you smashed us, and can't thank everyone enough. Hopefully we can maybe get a little bit more organised and get something a little bit better going in the future, and maybe even a cruise and then meet there or do whatever. I mean, we've got a pretty good platform at the moment, but hopefully we can just fix a couple of things and make it run a little bit smoother.
Yeah, I think we get a little bit more preparation next time, but yeah, we're not prepared for probably the quantity of cars. We knew you'd get good support because we got awesome fan base so far. Fan base, that's embarrassing. We got awesome followers, great feedback, but for everyone to come down, say g'day, heaps of people come from the countryside, so thanks for those of you who've done some travelling. That was amazing, and yeah, we want to progress with this. We want to sort of keep evolving and trying to put on some more events for you guys, and hopefully next time with a bit more help and a bit more preparation, we'll be able to get out, do a bit more filming, because I actually literally did not take one photo for the whole night. So I think we're just going to do a slideshow or something, which is probably already played in the video. I'm not sure how we're going to collaborate this yet, but we'll get it all together. But thanks for coming down, thanks for supporting us, and we'll hopefully see you all next time.
Yeah, thanks again, guys. Love seeing everyone. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.